Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems in exercise 1.12 from the chapter decimals. Here we are going to do the word problems. Suraj saves rupees 8.75, 8 rupees 75 paise every week. How much money will he save in 10 weeks? Here he saves 8 rupees 75 paise in 1 week. Now we are going to find out the money he saves in 10 weeks. For that we have to use multiplication. Okay, let us start the solution. Money he saved in 1 week. Is equal to 8 rupees 75 paise. Now we are going to find out the money he saved in 10 weeks. Money he will save in 10 weeks. Here rupees 8.75 into 10. Here we are going to multiply the decimal number by 10. While multiplying a decimal number by 10, according to the number of zeros, we have to move the decimal point to the right. Here 1 0 is there, so we have to move the decimal point 1 place to the right. Then we will get rupees 87.5. Here while writing in money, we have to add 1 0. In paise, we are having 2 places. So 87 rupees 50 paise. This is money he will save in 10 weeks. Here money he saved in 1 week is given, that is 8 rupees 75 paise. From that we are going to find out the money he will save in 10 weeks. For that we are multiplying at last 87 rupees 50 paise. This amount he will save in 10 weeks. Is it clear? Then the next question. A drawing book costs rupees 28 rupees 75 paise. Find out the cost of 15 such book. Here cost of one book is given. We are going to find out the cost of 15 books. From one we are going to find out many. So multiplication. Cost of one book is equal to 28 rupees 75 paise. We are going to find out the cost of 15 books. Is equal to cost of one book into 15. Now we are going to multiply these two numbers. While multiplying a decimal number, we have to take as a whole number. So 2875 into 15. Now we are going to multiply these two numbers. Okay, here 5 5s are 25. 5 here, 2 carry over. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. 7 here, 3 carry over. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 3, 43. 3 here, 4 carry over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Now we have to leave the ones place. While multiplying a number by 1, then we will get the same numbers. 5, 7, 8, 2. Now we have to add these two numbers. Here 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 2 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. 1 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 43,125. This is the product of the whole numbers 2,875 and 15. Now we are going to write the answer for rupees 28.75 into 15. Here we got 43,125. Now we have to keep the decimal point alone. Here in the question 2 decimal places are there. So in the answer also we need 2 decimal places. For that from the last before 2 digits we have to keep the decimal point. So rupees 431.25, 431 rupees 25 paise. That is the cost of 15 books. So, cost of 15 drawing books is equal to rupees 431.25, 431 rupees 25 pice. Here the cost of one drawing book is given. From that, by using multiplication, we are finding the cost of 15 drawing books. Then the next one, Vikrant runs a distance of 4.5 kilometer. 4.5 kilometer in covering 5 rounds of the park. How much distance does he cover in one round? Okay, distance covered in 5 rounds is given. We are going to find out the distance he will cover in one round. So, from many we are going to find out one. So, we have to use division. Okay, let us start the solution. Distance covered in 5 rounds. Is equal to 4.5 kilometer. Now we are going to find the distance covered in one round. Is equal to 4.5 kilometer divided by 5. Now we have to do the division. The dividend is 4.5. The divisor is 5. A divisor is a one digit number. So, we have to check the first digit 4, which is less than the divisor. So, we have to take the two digits together. But the second digit is in the decimal part. So, we have to put 0 for the whole number part, and then we have to keep the decimal point in quotient. After that, we have to take the two digits together. Now, it's 45. In 45, how many times 5 is there? 9 times. 5 nines are 45. Now we have to subtract 0. So quotient is 0.9, remainder is 0. In division problem, quotient is the answer. So this is the distance covered in one round. Distance covered in one round is equal to 0.9 kilometer. Okay. You have to write the answer statement. How much distance does he cover in one round? Okay. So, Vikrant covers 0.9 kilometer in one round. Sorry. Okay. Distance covered in 5 rounds is given. From this we are finding the distance covered in one round. From many we are finding one, so division. By using division we found the answer. The next question, the cost of 16 chairs. 16 chairs is given, that is rupees 10,450.44. Find the cost of each chair. We are going to find the cost of 1. Cost of 16 chairs is given. We are going to find the cost of 1. We have to use division. So, solution. Cost of 16 chairs is equal to rupees 10,450.44. Now, we are going to find the cost of one chair. Is equal to rupees 10,450.44 divided by 16. Okay, now we are going to divide the decimal number by 16. So first I am going to write the table for 16. Okay, 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 5s are 80, 16 6 are 96, 16 7s are 112. Okay. Now we are going to divide the number. The dividend is 10,450.44. The divisor is 16. Here a divisor is a 2-digit number. So we have to check the first 2 digits. Here 1 and 0. 10, which is less than the divisor. So we have to take the 2 digits together. In 106, how many times 16 is there? Here 7 times 112, which is greater than 104. So we are going to take 6 times. 6 times 96. Now we have to subtract 104 minus 96. We will get 8. Now we have to take the next digit 5. In 85, here 5 times we can take. 5 times 80. Now we have to subtract 5. Then we have to take the next digit 0. Now in 50, here we have to take 3 times 48. So 3 times 48. Now we have to subtract, then we will get 2. Now we are going to take the next digit 4, which is in the decimal part. So we have to keep the decimal point in quotient, and then we have to take 4. Now 24. In 24, only 1 times 16 is there. Now 24 minus 16, 8. Now we have to take the next digit 4. Here in 84, 5 times 80. Now again we are going to subtract, then we will get 4. Okay, here while writing the number, decimal number in as rupees, we need only 2 decimal places. So I am going to stop here. I am not going to do the division again. We got the 2 decimal places. So this is the cost of 1 chair. So the cost of 1 chair is equal to rupees 653.15. 653 rupees 15. Here why I am stopping here? We need only 2 decimal places for rupees. While writing the money, we need 2 decimal places. So we got the 2 decimal places. So I am not continuing the division till the remainder 0. Okay, so the cost of 1 chair is rupees 653.15. Okay, from the cost of 16 chair, by using division, we found the cost of 1 chair. Is it clear? The next one, Jayanti distributed 4.8 kilogram of apples equally among 8 children. How many kg did each child got? Here 4.8 kg apples distributed among 8 children. Now we are going to find out how much apple did each child got. Okay, for that we are going to divide the total quantity of apple by the number of children. Okay, solution. Quantity of apple is to be distributed is 4.8 kilogram. Here number of children 8. Now we are going to find the quantity of apples each child got. Is equal to, we are going to divide the total quantity of apple by the number of children. 4.8 divided by 8. Here the dividend is 4.8 The divisor is 8. Here the divisor is a 1-digit number, so we have to check the first digit, 4, which is less than 8. So we have to take the 2 digits together. The second digit is in the decimal part. So for the whole number part, we have to put 0 and we have to keep the decimal point. Now it's 48. In 48, how many times 8 is there? 8, 6 are 48. Now we have to subtract 48 minus 48, 0. So the quotient is 0.6, the remainder is 0. So quotient is the answer. This is the quantity of apple each child got. That is 0.6 kilogram. So answer, each child got 0.6 kilogram of apples. Is it clear, children? Here, to find the quantity of apple each child got, we are dividing the total quantity of apple by the number of children. Then we are getting 0.6 kilogram of apple each child got. Is it clear, children? Hope you all understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.